Hello everyone, it's Christelle here again, and today we are gonna make a tutorial video on how to cook a certain delicacy here in my province. We call banisil. I looked it up. In English, it's called the black devil snail. Today, I'm gonna ask my twin sister to help me cook it. So now, get your aprons on and let's get cooking.
Hello, banisil ka mo dyan. Ano naman daw si Zamang pag-prepare banisil, ma'am?
When you prepare it, you cut it in half.
Half good?
1/3. 1/3, and then you put coconut milk. You fry it.
Hoy, taro nga pag-ikuan, ma'am, kay Team English.
Seryoso, yung ganaan ko, seryoso?
Oo, ma'am. Hala, dali. Pasikati anay kami ni mo English. But how do we prepare it? How do we clean it?
Cut the tip.
Oh, you show me.
About 1/3 of the shell. And then you wash it to make sure that the mud is gone. And then you have to make sure that the baliboy, stomach part is removed.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Surigao, Mrs. Banisil. Ayan, nandito na po ang ating food. Okay, so now, kakain na po tayo and we will eat our breakfast. Ganyan na siya pagkaon. Oh, so diba, tanggal man yung tumoy sa yung ano ba, sa shell. Kaya para pag suyop ni mo, dili ni mo masupsup ko, dili ni mo tanggalan ng lubot, dili ni mo masupsup. So ganyan na siya. Oh. Gawas din siya, guys. Sumugawas ni tanggalo na ni mong itom na part mga parehas rin isa saang dili pwede kauno ng ends kay pait. So kanina lang mabilin and then isaw-saw ni mo sa suka. Bugas dayo.
Pakan ati udi.
Para nabuhutan ng tinik sa lalamunan.
Ano lang yung pagdayat ni mo ali?